सर इधर
सर राइट में, सर राइट साइड सर, सर स्ट्रेट सर,
एक्सक्यूज मी, पीछे पीछे पीछे
ए
बैठिए।
बात पीछे आओ ना।
चले जाओ, रुक जाओ यार, पीछे जाओ।
सर सामने, सर यार पे,
फोकस पता नहीं समझ रहा है, लाइट नहीं मंज रहा।
सर
Every woman I meet, but mother and wife would be right up there. Yeah. सच बताऊं तो मेरे लिए बिल्कुल नहीं, लेकिन सबको जानता हूं तो बुलाते हैं तो मैं आ जाता हूं। मैं मैगजीन नहीं पढ़ता।
I think this is Saga.
both of you are straight. Ma'am, sir. One more. The next side. One more. Center. Ma'am, your right side here. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, just hold here. Ma'am, here. One more here, ma'am. Stadium, ma'am, sir. One more. Ma'am, just one.
मैडम जी इधर, मैडम इधर.
Sir, straight here, sir. Sir, सामने. Sir, सामने देखिए, सामने. Sir, sir, here.
सर यहाँ पे
Sir, यहाँ पे, sir, here.
Hi, any questions? When you going to see? So now earlier I used to struggle between making films in Hyderabad, making films in Bombay. Now post Bahubali, post Ghazi, we're sitting in Hyderabad and making Hindi films. So we're just sending films up here. So I'll be out to summer, I'll be out to Diwali next year. Lots of things. Sir. So in my life, obviously, my mother will be the most important woman. And well, about the award, about this ceremony, one is quite honored to come here. And you know, I usually don't. I'm never around in any of these events, but it was a lovely event that was put together for women. It's something we haven't seen too many of these, and I think it's right now the voice of women which needs to be heard well. And congratulations to Vogue. Sir, what? I don't know that yet. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Well, to all the women in our life, I don't know if that came out right. Did it? No. Thanks. Thank you.
Hi. Very soon. I'm not allowed to reveal it right now, but very soon, for sure. You liked it? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm glad you liked it. Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Have lots and lots and lots of fun, eat a lot of sweets and stay away from crackers, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi guys. Yes. About? Yes. I mean, congratulations to all the winners. It's great. It's a good opportunity to, love each other, show respect for each other. It's a great platform. So I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
I'm wearing Nikita Tandon. This is my debut at Vogue Awards, so I'm very, very, very excited. I think it's an amazing concept that in today's time everything we're talking about is empowering women, and it's not just empowering them; it's celebrating them. So I think it's a very, very good thing that it is something like this is happening. Thank you.
Dolce and Gabbana, and thrilled to be here tonight, and look forward to the evening. It's fabulous, and it's great that the Serum Institute is yet again on board, and really looking forward to this, and so happy to be a part of it. Thank you. Yes, I've just had a release called Cheater Mohan, which is my own. And then I've had another Rajasthani song with Meet Brothers. In fact, today, I don't know if you've heard, I've taken out Chhod Diya from Bazaar, which is composed by me, sung by Arijit. It's just come out today. So guys, please go and watch it. And happy Diwali to everybody, to all my fans, to all the viewers over here. Thank you so much for supporting my music. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I think it's always exciting to be a part of one of the Vogue events because it is the ultimate magazine, and I think Vogue is one of the coolest magazines out there, and when they put on something like this and they come up with something like Woman of the Year, then there's a lot of credibility attached to it. So it's always lovely. The entire team has always been lovely and warm. So yeah, I'm looking forward to an amazing evening. Absolutely, wishing all the viewers a very happy and a safe Diwali. Hope you're spending it with your family and your loved ones. I hope मैं आ जाती हूँ. I think we worked really hard hoping that day happens. अब तक हुआ नहीं है, so I hope soon I'll keep working harder and then I get that special call one day. Thank you.
Yes? Hi. I hope they have many, many years more ahead of them for this event. Yeah. Sorry? How does it take or what does it take? I have no idea. But I'm sure they see something special in each woman, and which is why they are able to pick out women from different fields. So there must be some quality that they recognize. I guess we're all kind of achievers in our own fields, sometimes even at home, and it's important to recognize that. Yes, I wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali, brightness, bliss, and happiness to everybody. Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Yeah? Hi, thank you. Well, this is my first time, so I'm very, very excited. I cannot wait to go in and meet everybody, and I've heard along with it being Woman of the Year, the entire show is very entertaining, so I'm really looking forward to going inside. Pardon me? My mother, yeah. My mother, all my teachers, my dance teacher. So there are many, my friends whom I look up to. All my girlfriends, they're very important. Yeah. Wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous Diwali. Be safe. May your life be joyous always. Thank you. नहीं कोई है नहीं रखने के लिए व्रत. Thank you.
क्या करूं भैया Right. I think it's amazing. I mean, I think every day should be a day to celebrate women. But it's really nice that we can get together here, and all the individuals that are achieving so much, to come together to celebrate them, to award them, reward them. I think is fantastic. Which is an important moment in my life. Wow. I think career-wise, it was, of course, when I started in the movies, was the release of Rang De Basanti. Personally, my marriage, I think that was great. That was an important moment. Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions for us? Who are the most important women in my life? Well, she's standing right next to me. and other than my mother and my sister, and yeah, but this is the one. Of on awarding the Woman of the Year. Of course, women should be celebrated, and who better than Vogue to do it? Yes, a very happy Diwali to everyone, and a very happy New Year from the both of us. You want to say something? Thank you.
Yes. यार 11th ईयर है वोक का, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यार, और इट्स ग्रेट ओकेजन, और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई एम हियर। यार लोगों को फिल्म बहुत पसंद आई, लोगों का बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, इंडस्ट्री से इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स बात कर रहे हैं फिल्म की, लोग बात कर रहे हैं, थर्ड वीक में फिल्म, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार। थैंक यू।
You're asking. Yes. Thank you. She's called Caroline Babawi. She's a Lebanese designer from Beirut. So I'm experimenting with designers from different parts of the world. You're going to see me in Turam Khan next year with Raj Kumar Rao and Hansalji directing. I know. Happy Diwali, yeah. All the viewers, wish you really, really happy Diwali. I love candles, so please light up your house with nice candles and diyas, and have a fun and safe Diwali. That you'll have to wait to hear. I'm so sorry, I'm very correct here in life what to do. I won't do it. Alright, see you guys.
Hi. So I'm wearing Amar Halim. He's an international designer, and just wearing myself and my smile today. I think it's really cool that Vogue Women of the Year is having a second edition, and hopefully it'll have 200 of them. And I think currently, with the whole situation changing and the pendulum shifting towards equality for women, I think it's a great initiative. Thank you.
Hi.
मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं एक स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हूँ और ऐसा अवार्ड्स में आना काफ़ी कम होता है और काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है कि आज थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग स्पोर्ट्स सेट के हो रहा है. थैंक यू.
Yes. Is there a question? Do we have to say anything? So I'm wearing Demi tonight, and I'm really looking forward to the awards. Well, I'd say the most important women, it always starts with your mom, because she makes you who you are, and I'd say my mom. Thanks. Thank you.
Stop there. Do you walk through or stop here?